Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today's video is something I've been wanting to get for a while, for years actually, and I've never bought one, so I thought now's the perfect time. So what have I bought? Well, first of all, let me show you the picture. You've seen the thumbnail, you know what it is. This is the picture of what I bought. Okay, it's a 3-in-1 garden vac blower shredder. And it cost me £27, and it's from a UK local warehouse in the UK, so it took about 3 days to get here. And I thought that looks, they do smaller ones, but that looks quite big. You know, I thought, yeah, that's a nice size, big one. Now I've not opened it yet, but that's the box. Well, that tape is actually the least sticky. In fact, that's been opened. That's been opened and restuck because the original tape has taken the cardboard. And I have not opened this. So, has somebody sent this back? Wow. Okay. Alright. You get the box, you got some foam, you got some plastic. I think this has been sent back because look, I have not opened this. Usually I open the things, I test them. This is a plug-in device. It came last night. By the time I got home from work, it was too late to even look at. So, yeah, this has been sent back. Probably someone feeling duped. Anyway, you get a power supply, power brick. Now, it doesn't even look the same. It's not even, I don't think it's even that product. There's the unit itself. And this is Day Plus. Now I believe, isn't that the same as, was it the polish that was Day Plus? I've had something that was Day Plus, I'm sure. Oh, wait. Okay, it's not a power brick, it's a charger. I thought this was wired. 3,500 watts. Cable length 10 meters. This is not the right one. Well, that's the end of this video because this is going back. Because that ain't going to suck up jack, is it? The leaves are bigger than that. Okay. So, I've finally been, have I been diddled? That's the thing. Or is it just an honest mistake? Whatever. This has been opened before. And it's got, yeah, this is not what I bought, so it's going back. Okay, so, it's a couple of days later. Update on our wrong item that AliExpress sent me. Now, as you can see, I've taped it back up. This is a leaf blower, cordless leaf blower, that they sent me when I ordered a 3-in-1. A blower, a sucker, and a shredder, all in one. And at first I was peed off, because I thought, you know what, they've scammed me. Probably not AliExpress necessarily, but the seller. Because obviously AliExpress, like Temu, Amazon, they're a marketplace, multiple sellers. And it's fulfilled by said company. So, initially I was angry and I thought, right, that's it, refund, do all that. AliExpress approved the refund, said I've just got to print off the label, send it back, and I'll get my money back. But then when I calmed down a little bit, I thought, well, actually, let's have a look and see how much this is and what it is. You know, so, because I've used the Day Plus before, the polisher I had was Day Plus, and I really liked it. And I did say I was going to buy some more Day Plus products in the future. So I thought, you know what, let's just check it out. Well, the funny thing is, this is more expensive than the thing I bought. So I then started to think, well, actually, they've not scanned me, I've kind of scanned them. So being cordless, comes with the battery and the charger. The cheapest I've seen this on AliExpress, and again, it's local delivery, is around about £32. Now, it may be, you may be able to find it cheaper, but I was looking for local because obviously I wanted it quick. That's why I was looking at local deliveries. And the original thing I bought was about £23 something. So I started to think, well, actually, rather than send my money back, rather than send it back and get my money back, I could keep this, do a video on it, to show that sometimes things go wrong, but actually see what it's like, because some of you out there may just want a leaf blower, and this may suit you. And then I could sell it at a boot sale for 20 quid. So I've kind of got my money back. I've used it to see what it's like, and I've got a video out of it. So yeah, I decided to keep it. Let's have an actual proper look at this device. So that's what you get in the box. It's reasonably well padded. You get the blower, as I say, Day Plus, which I've only had the polisher, but I really rate that polisher. Anyway, back to this. So you get the unit. You get this tube, the funnel that will take the air from here. It will go down here, it will come out here, and it will blow leaves there. Very scientific, this channel, very scientific. You also get the battery, which is a Day Plus labelled 21 volt 4 amp hour battery, and it charges via in there. Okay, so it's all straightforward. So that aims slightly upwards. So when you're going it down, it's going to come out, you know, it's not aiming down as such. It's, yeah. And then to basically use it, you've got to put the battery in, because the battery is not cordless. It's not a Bluetooth battery. They haven't invented them yet, or maybe they have. I don't know. Maybe that's something Temu can work on. Try again. Okay. Not a good idea to play with things indoors. Sorry, plant. But yeah, we will have a little go out with the leaves later. Now, unfortunately, it's been raining here, so the leaves are wet. So I don't know how well it's going to do. But I'm going to charge it up, and we will have a look and see how it does with the leaves in the front garden. Can I do that? Jesus Christ. Wow. Yeah, that's got some force to it. Oh. Okay, I've just gone deaf. Yeah, this ain't actually too bad. So we'll get that charged up, and we'll have a look at it. Oh, and that one's actually... And it actually stores down quite small as well. So it's quite a small footprint. Okay, so I just had a quick go with the cordless leaf blower that I didn't actually intend to buy, but here we are. And yeah, it does what it says it does. Got it right that time. It blows leaves. Who would have guessed a leaf blower that blows leaves? Pretty good. On the hard surface, the driveway, no problem at all blowing the leaves, twigs, whatever. It does what it says it does. It seems plenty powerful enough for the job in hand. And because it's cordless and it's pretty small, it's lightweight, it's easy to carry around. Yeah, maybe I actually got a decent deal by them sending me the wrong product. But what do you think? Do you think I should have stuck to my guns initially and got a refund and then ordered the product that I said I was going to order? A 3-in-1 leaf blower, sucker, or vacuum, not a sucker. Well, it sucks, but you know, a leaf blower, a leaf vacuum, and also a shredder, built-in shredder. So a 10-to-1 ratio. That's what I wanted, to shred these leaves, get them down smaller, put them in the compost. Brilliant. Or do you think I'm right in actually keeping this? Because at the end of the day, it is more valuable than the thing I ordered. So the chances are the thing I ordered wouldn't be that great. But I decided, you know, just to do a video on this electric cordless leaf blower anyway. Because some of you guys out there may not want a 3-in-1, that you may not want the vacuum. You may just want to be able to blow the leaves down a certain area, or, you know, if the trees are neighbours, which that's our tree, but if it was a neighbour's tree, maybe you just want to blow the leaves back into their garden, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you may actually find this very useful, this product. Let me drop a comment as usual if you've got any questions about this leaf blower, or about my experience with AliExpress returning items, or trying to get a refund, even though I didn't go through with it. What was the process like? If you've got any questions on that, if you've not done it before, yeah, drop me a comment. You got any suggestions? As usual, drop a comment. If you want to drop a comment, drop a comment. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help. I know this was not an intended video, but I thought actually it might be educational. That sometimes, like whenever any website that you order things from, sometimes things go wrong, and what happens when things go wrong. So I ended up making a video out of it anyway. And if you like videos like, then please subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. We've got a lot coming up. Really have got a lot coming up. But for now, that does it. I am going to get out of here because I've got to go to work. I'll say goodbye and see you again very, very soon. Bye, guys.